How'd you end up getting anything? It is crazy. We got 160 bales of hay.
How many?
160. So we're gonna take about 50. It will be ours. Of which we're selling to the neighbor.
50 we're selling to the neighbor?
Yeah, 50 are gonna be ours. The guys who cut the hay, they're gonna be here in about an hour or so.
50 is going to be ours and we'll put the rest.
Well, they get to take it. Well, they're the ones who came and cut.
Oh, yeah, they came and cut it, so then they're going to take it.
Well, yeah, it's
Oh,
expensive.
yeah. And then we're just going to keep 50.
We're gonna keep 50. That's our share. Wow, it's crazy. Look at these bales. And the rows are actually quite deep, eh? Look at that. Or maybe let me jump up there too, Jay. I wanted to see if you were gonna fall or not. Yeah, hold the phone. It's taking a video right now.
The only chance of you falling is on. I know.
So, hold it properly. Flat.
Oh, flat. Landscape.
Wow, man.
I mean, it didn't really take a running start. Only one you're probably going to fall off of is the first one.
Whoa. This is actually impressive, Jaden, how many bells we got. Actually impressive. It's hard to imagine that this is like $20,000 worth of hay right here, sitting right here at current market prices. Looks like the neighbor also got their hay cut over there. They cleaned up pretty good too. So everybody's getting their hay cut. There's a lot of money in hay this year. Yeah. Looks like anyone with hay is cutting it. He's getting it cut. So that's our farm all the way to the back there. That's where we go. And if you see right to the far end there where the honeybees are. So we also get honey from our farm all the way down there. And that's my Minneapolis Moline tractor.